Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your go-to destination for top-tier tech gear and high-performance upgrades. Today, we're diving into a memory kit that doesn't just perform like a beast, it looks like one too. Meet the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 64GB 2x32GB 6000MHz CL38 RAM, a bold, powerful, and visually stunning upgrade for both Intel and AMD systems. Let's get into what makes this RAM truly special. First, performance. This kit clocks in at a blazing fast 6000 MHz, delivering next-level responsiveness whether you're gaming at ultra settings, streaming, or handling content creation. With CL38 latency, it balances speed and stability, offering excellent throughput and low lag for even the most demanding applications. And with Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO compatibility, setup is effortless. Just plug it in, enable your preferred memory profile in BIOS, and you're off to the races. The total 64GB capacity 32GB x2 gives you more than enough headroom for everything from massive video projects to advanced AI workflows. DDR5's increased bandwidth, improved power efficiency, and on-die error correction elevate both stability and multitasking performance. This is future-ready memory built for modern platforms. Now let's talk design, and this kit is a visual stunner. The Delta RGB series in white features a sleek heat spreader with a wide-angle RGB light bar that syncs beautifully with your motherboard's lighting ecosystem. It supports all major RGB software like ASUS Aura Sync, MSI Mystic Light, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and ASRock Polychrome. Whether you're building a white-themed rig or just want that aggressive RGB glow, this RAM delivers aesthetic and performance in perfect balance. Here's the full spec rundown. 64GB kit 2x32GB DDR5. 6000 MHz speed with CL38 latency. Voltage 1.25 V for energy efficiency. Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO ready. Stunning RGB light bar with full motherboard sync support. White aluminum heat spreader. On-die ECC and PMIC for stability. Lifetime warranty from TEAMGROUP. Whether you're building an eye-catching gaming PC or a powerhouse workstation, the T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 kit adds serious flair and flawless function. So, if you're ready to light up your build and supercharge your system with elite DDR5 performance, check out the Amazon link in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome tech breakdowns right here on Gadgetverse.